friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Friends, today I'm going to share Shop Drew Phillips Com reviews with you. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. ShopDrewPhillips.com is an online community of shoppers in the United States. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are t-shirts, hoodies and pants. Now let's talk about the other information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal and ShopPay. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that nowhere shipping time and shipping fee is specified. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in deciding the legitimacy of the website. So guys, ShopDrewPhillips.com have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, it was created on 2nd December 2020. Now let's take a look at About Us section. So here we can see that there is no About Us section available on the official web page. Now let's check the way to contact them. So in the return policy link, we found the email address of the company, that is ap216601@gmail.com, and the company address is provided in the return section. Now let's have a look on the return policies. So their return policy lasts for 30 days. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return and refund, mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the ShopDrewPhillips.com reviews, guys, so there is no review section available on the official page and we could not find reviews on other reliable sites as well. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that ShopDrewPhillips.com is a scam website and would recommend our viewers to stay away from such websites. However, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kinds of a scam. After all, we are here to spread awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will motivate us to make more such informative videos. Thank you guys. Be informed, be safe.